Alright, today I'm going to show you how to take off your door panel. So first, you see this little tab right here? You're going to need to pop that off from the top. Just going to get like a flathead in there just like that. Take your screwdriver or drill, run those screws right out of there. You have a screw on the side here. So I'm trying not to lose this one in the grass. Then you got 3 at the bottom for the front doors, 2 on the back. Oh, I guess I took a screw out there. Or lost it. It's kind of hard to video without my GoPro. Alright, pull these screws out here. So you can tell when they're the same. See, there's the rim around it. That's the 2 in your door here. And you got these ones. See, these ones are the ones that go at the bottom, as you can see. And then this is another one for by the door handle. And this is the one for the side of the door. Now to take this off, it's really easy. Take it and pull. There's just clips. You just pop it off. Come all the way around here. There it goes. Now you want to make sure you take your clips off. So you can just remove your whole door panel. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking these speakers out. Because these ones, too much for my stock amp. So these are the THX speakers. Hold up. Pop this. Alright, took the speaker off. See, this is a THX 50 watt. Well, my head unit only supplies about 18 watts. So that's why I'm taking this out. I'm putting Alpine speakers in. And it's funny because I got an Alpine amp. So yeah, I'm about to go grab that speaker real quick. Alright, so I got the speaker here. You can see this one is 25 watts, 4 ohm, compared to this one, 4 ohm, 50 watts. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one back in. I just gotta, so I clip that right there. Alright, so I got the speaker in. Gotta get in all these screws now. Not sure if I can do this one-handed, but we'll try. Go diagonal. There we go, right there. Let's get the impact. Pull the trigger. I think some of these aren't long enough. You want to hear that? Well, as long as it stays in, I'm fine with it. Now go ahead and grab the door panel. Gonna hook up the cables. Now you're gonna have to line it up. You got all these clips. First thing you want to do is get it on the door. You just want to get it on the door handle. Then you want to line up all those clips so you don't break any. So it's going to be a pain for me to do this one-handed. Alright. You just kind of want to hit it with your hand like that, but first you want to make sure it's lined up. Alright, got it all hammered in. Now let's get these screws back in. Gonna start with the door handle. Oh, come on. Damn flathead doesn't like to go in. Really should have worn my GoPro for this. Alright, got those in. You can pop that back in if you want to even pop it in. So I only had 2 screws for under the door. Those are both the same with a little lip on it, and you got this one that doesn't have any lip on it. That one goes in your door right there. Now you just want to screw that one back in. See, these are actually relatively the easiest door panels to take off and put back on. Like, this video isn't gonna even be 10 minutes long if I can get these ones in. Doing this one-handed. Alright, I'm gonna go over to this side. Get a little thread. Alright. Tighten that one just a little bit, if I can. I can't even do it on this video. But that's how you take the door panel off and put it back on. See, the door panel's not popping off. Very easy. And I even replaced the speaker on the video as a bonus. It's that easy. And if you got, like, mine came with the I can show you the difference between all 3 actually. So this is a stock one that came with my car. Make this quick. I don't know how many watts this one is. It's a lot lighter. And you got a 25 watt, or this is a 25 watt. No, never mind, I don't have it. They're all in my vehicle right now, all my Alpines, but these are the 50 watt THX. I think this is like 15 watts, then you go to 25 watts, then 50 watts. But yeah, that's why I had to downgrade but upgrade at the same time.